Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen want to turn on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and factory reset. Enter phone pin and click on clear. After click on clear, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen want to turn on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.